How do I create multi-line comments in Python? How do I make multi-line comments? Most languages have block comment symbols like
You can use triple quoted strings. When they're not a docstring, the first thing in a class/function/module, they are ignored. Make sure to indent the leading appropriately to avoid an indentation error. Guido van Rossum, creator of Python, tweeted this as a pro tip. However, Python style guide, PEP8, favors using consecutive single-line comments, like this. And this is also what you'll find in many projects. Text editors usually have a shortcut to do this easily.
Python does have a multi-line string/comment syntax in the sense that unless used as docstrings, multi-line strings generate no bytecode, just like hash-prepended comments. In effect, it acts exactly like a comment. On the other hand, if you say this behavior must be documented in the official documentation to be a true comment syntax, then yes, you would be right to say it is not guaranteed as part of the language specification. In any case, your text editor should also be able to easily comment at a selected region, by placing a hash in front of each line individually. If not, switch to a text editor that does. Programming in Python without certain text editing features can be a painful experience. Finding the right editor and knowing how to use it can make a big difference in how the Python programming experience is perceived. Not only should the text editor be able to comment out selected regions, it should also be able to shift blocks of code to the left and right easily, and it should automatically place the cursor at the current indentation level when you press enter. Code folding can also be useful. To protect against link decay, here is the content of Guido van Rossum's tweet. At Basics Globe Python tip, you can use multi-line strings as multi-line comments. Unless used as docstrings, they generate no code. Smile.
From the accepted answer. You can use triple quoted strings. When they're not a docstring, first thing in a class/function/module, they are ignored. This is simply not true. Unlike comments, triple quoted strings are still parsed and must be syntactically valid, regardless of where they appear in the source code. If you try to run this code, you'll get either on Python 2.x or on Python 3.x. The only way to do multi-line comments which are ignored by the parser is in Python 2.7 the multi-line comment is. In case you are inside a class you should tab it properly. For example,
If you want to see more lessons this